When you give sacrificially to the World Evangelism Fund, the Holy Spirit empowers amazing mission and global ministries. What you give provides full-time missionaries with a salary, medical insurance, and housing while they serve. Your giving for the World Evangelism Fund starts new churches around the world and provides training resources for equipping pastors and church leaders. It provides literature in more than 90 languages. This includes resources for pastors and Bible-based teaching materials for children, youth, and adults. What you give supports the work of the whole global Church of the Nazarene, including the worldwide ministries created by colleagues in our Global Ministry Center. The World Evangelism Fund also makes it possible for Jesus Film Harvest Partners, Nazarene Compassionate Ministries, and World Mission Broadcast to flourish. Could you have ever imagined that the sacrificial offering you give to the World Evangelism Fund could accomplish so much? It's because Nazarenes globally are pooling their resources to send the gospel to people in 159 world areas. Without the World Evangelism Fund, none of these mission efforts would be possible. The World Evangelism Fund enables the Church of the Nazarene to fulfill all these ministries.